So there we go, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please like this video, drop a comment, tell me what you think about this eye that I painted. It's certainly a different understanding of using spray paint, painting things like this, when you compare it to painting letters, which is kind of my bread and butter. But anyway, if you've got this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, then it probably means that you should subscribe, so please do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.